This is just the most genius invention for cleaning your shoes. They're laundry shoe cleaning bags. So one for each shoe. You put them inside these bags, it unzips like so. And there is like the chenille loops on the inside, like you would see at any car wash if you're washing windows. So this is the type of stuff that you clean things with. So it just makes sense that it's inside the shoe cleaning bag. So the shoe goes in here, and then while it's rolling around inside the washing machine, those little loops inside here, the chenille, almost like a shaggy carpet, the chenille shag stuff, is cleaning your shoes. It is rubbing around on the dirt on your shoes and getting them super clean. So love, love, love these. Super happy I came across them. And this one, there's great attention to detail on these as well. It's mesh on the side, so they are breathable as well. And they're super soft on like I said, it's all chenille. And then the zipper, it's a nice sturdy zipper, easy to open and close. And it has the zipper here has a clasp. It can open, and then you just attach it to the little loop there, the little stainless steel loop, and it will keep the zipper closed, so you don't have to worry about it opening up in the wash and your shoe falling out of the bag. So great attention to detail, great construction of these bags. Absolutely love them. Quick shout out to the brand. Thanks so much for gifting these to me. Can't wait to wash all of my sneakers in them. So highly, highly recommend.